Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are everyone fine. Listen, in this class I taught the class 7 of CBSE. Okay? So listen carefully. It's the only MCQ based classes. MCQ based classes. Because here I am asked questions related to the computer subject and you may reply of that. Okay? So listen carefully. Which type of MCQ question I asked? If you know the answer, then you give either right. Okay? Good. I have first questions. Okay? The question is this: self-reference $B$1 means, it means which type of this self-reference? You know very well there are 4 types of self-reference: relative, mixed, absolute, circular. So which one type of this self-reference? I think everyone you know. Okay? So here is the column B mentioned and row 1 both mixed. So it's a called mixed self-reference. Which one called? Mixed self-reference. I think everyone is clear why you have to say this one is mixed self-reference, because this is the column and this is the row. So for that you clear this is a mixed self-reference. Good. Good try everyone. The next MCQ based question is this: the function always being with the sign. Okay. The function always being with the sign. If you know, then give the answer. Suppose that you have an Excel separate sheet. On there you want to insert a function. Then which one symbol, which one sign you have to press firstly? I think everyone got it that answer. That answer is equal sign. Which one sign? Equal sign. Okay, it is the correct answer. Next. The next question is this. Listen carefully. The third question is asked: which of the following function will add the value? Which of the following function will add the values? I given some examples. There is add, total, sum and none. You have told me which one option you have to use to add the values. So I think everyone has got it that answer. The answer is sum. Sum is the option by which we have to add the values in Excel. Absolutely right answer, beta. Next. The next MCQ question is: when a cell reference refers to its own address, when a cell refers It is called reference. It is called reference. First round, circular, next square, and then rectangle. I think you are all know there is no round, no square, no rectangle. It is not a cell references. Only one cell reference is given there. It is a circular. Okay. So that is answer is circular cell reference. When a cell refers to its own address, it's called a circular reference. Okay. The next, okay, here is given which of the following is a valid spark line types. Which of the following is a valid, which of the following is a valid spark line type here. The first, run and pop. The second, win and loss. The third, gain and loss. The fourth, success and failure. Success and failure. There is a fourth. So I think everyone knows the win loss is used to in a teeny line. Spark line is a teeny line, so that's used for only win and loss. I think loss dollars. Okay. So is that clear? The next. The next question is this. That's all questions come from the HTML. That all questions come from the HTML, and there is a first question. How many headings in HTML document? How many headings is possible in HTML document? So everyone knows from 1 to 6 there is a heading style. So how much? The 6 heading styles is available in HTML document. Okay. The next question is this. Which of the following tag will add line breaks? Which of the following tag will aid line breaks? Okay, which of the following tags will add the line break? The correct answer of this: HR, VR, LLB, Law, Bachelor of Law, and L. So there is not HR, there is not LLB, there is not L. Only VR. lines free. Okay, so it is the some MCQs type of questions. You will be enjoy, I think, and easily to give that answers. So you prepare this set of MCQs for giving the exam. Thank you.